Okay, this is CIS 110, and this is your instructor, Tony DeFilippis. This video is about the Moodle interface, so I'm going to walk through some of the ways you'll want to use this website for this class. So at the very top of Moodle, you'll see the news forum. The news forum is where I'll post information about the class, if we have to cancel class, if there's an update to an assignment, that sort of thing. I'll post it to the news forum. This will also get sent to whatever email address you use for this class. So it's really important to check your email every day to make sure there's no new information about the class. Student questions forum. If you have any problems or questions and you want to maybe ask other students in the class, this is a great place to post questions. Especially if you haven't heard back from me for whatever reason. I try to get back pretty quickly, but sometimes there's situations where I can't. So this is a good place to go and look for other help. The Microsoft Office support. This is just a resource you can use for support if you need with your Microsoft Office installation. Here's the syllabus that I've covered in another video. So let's move down here to topic 1. This is the My IT Lab registration. Again, I've covered this in another video also, so please review that video if you have any questions about that. Here in topic 2, you'll see the other assignments that are due for this week. So what we have is the netiquette policy that you must read. And this is just some information that's important to read about using the internet and the proper etiquette. And you also want to read the netiquette primer. So you're going to read these two items, the netiquette policy, netiquette primer, and then you're going to take the netiquette quiz. The other thing you're going to want to do here, number 2, is update your Moodle profile. And then you're also going to fill out an icebreaker form. So I'll cover those in just a second. Okay, so this is the one of the assignments that is due the first week of class. This is updating your Moodle profile. So the instructions are pretty self-explanatory, so walk through the instructions as best you can, and at the end here you'll see some instructions for emailing me that you've updated your profile. And this is just to get you familiar with emailing me and how to use update your profile and use Moodle a little bit. Okay, so here we are on the other assignment you'll need to complete for the first week of class. You're going to post to the icebreaker forum, and you're just going to answer these 3 questions, 1, 2, and 3. And to answer those questions, you're going to want to reply to my post here under this discussion. So you'll click on this and reply, and then you can answer those questions. So going back to the introduction orientation assignment for the first week of class, you'll see that the due date for this simply says that this is due the first week of class before Sunday at 11:55 p.m. So on further assignments, if you look at topic 3, which is due the week after, you'll see the due date is clearly defined, January 19th. And every assignment is listed underneath the due date. So let's jump ahead to topic 4. You'll see January 26th is the due date. Chapter 1 is due, Chapter 2 is due. And it should follow that same order as we go through the class. February 2nd, Chapter 3, February 2nd, Word Chapter 1. So as we go through each week, I'll post more videos and updates to help you with each week. But that is it for how to use Moodle, and please let me know if you have any questions.